Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make Moraiyo flour. Moraiya, also known as moraiya, sama, mordhan, varai, samak, samvat, Vrat chawal. It is mostly used during the fasting season like Navratri or Ekadashi. Let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 cups of moraiyo. Before roasting, wipe the whole moraiyo with the cloth to remove any dirt or dust. Roast the moraiyo on medium to low flame for 5 minutes. Roasting the flour reduces the moisture from the moraiyo, giving it a longer shelf life and helping to prevent the flour from spoiling. We have to lightly roast the moraiyo. We don't have to make it golden or golden brown in color. Just lightly roast so that the moisture is removed. Off the stove around 4 minutes and thereafter keep on stirring for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will remove into the plate to cool down. We have to grind after it's completely cooled down. Put a small amount of moreo into the blender and only grind for around 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat the process until it becomes fine powder. Use a small amount and grind for a short time to avoid heat and stickiness. Now take a big plate or a big pot. As shown, we need the fine powder. Sift the blended moreo through a fine sieve to separate the fine flour from any large unground pieces. Our fine moreo flour is ready. Repeat the blending and sifting process until you achieve the consistency of the fine powder. Then store it in an airtight container. Before storing into the airtight container, make sure that it is completely cooled down to avoid any mold or spoil in the flour. Friends, now you can enjoy the fresh moreo flour at home. Follow the tips that has been given and you will make delicious recipes out of this flour like roti, parathas, even you can add in the dosas. And also there are many recipes that you can enjoy during Ekadashi and Navratri fasting season. Friends, for the new recipes, subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes, like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.